Welcome back to my garage. Today we are working on my JDM Hiace Supercustom. A couple of things that was left to fix from the radio install last time, or the head unit install last time. So there's a few trim pieces that I need to put back in place. And also I'm investigating a knocking trim vibration inside the van, the interior of the van, specifically when it is in drive and with the handbrake disengaged. Let me see if I can capture that on video. Alright, so we are back in the van. Let me start this up. So the car is currently parked with the handbrake engaged. And once I put it into drive, can you hear this? Oh, it's quite annoying. So handbrake up, the noise goes away. Handbrake down, the noise comes back. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna fix up this microphone as well, because I think I plugged it into the wrong port at the back of the head unit. So take the dash apart, fix that up, fix this up, and then we'll take a look inside and see if we can figure out the vibration noise. Alright, so we have the radio out. I have to go back to the instruction booklet. Should have read that first. This is where I plugged it in. I just thought that says audio and video in, meaning that, you know, audio will go in and that's for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but no. This is what I need to plug in, which is here. Wait. So your 1, 2, 3, 4th column, bottom row, second last row. 4th column, second last row. That's where I need to plug it in. Alright, let's see if we can capture this. So I need to unplug this and pop it in. That's it. Alright, let's see if that works. So, testing 1, 2, 3.
You're coming in loud and clear.
Excellent. One thing done. Next things is figure out how to do this. Thinking of like double-sided tape that just goes into a little tab here. Or maybe I'll bend like a paper clip of some sort, clip it in place, and try to figure it out. Alright, so I moved the van back out, garage, left the front seats out, started tracing the vibrations that you feel from the handbrake, but all I got was this going behind the interior, the under the engine bay. However, underneath the engine bay. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is all covered. So I need to go underneath the car to have a look. And I'm underneath the car right now. This is what's interesting. Let me flip this way. So right here, this is the handbrake cable. You can tell this goes to this mechanism that you can adjust, and it goes all the way to the back. This has foam standard when it comes out of the factory. What I realized was this part, this handbrake cable, was actually rubbing on the water to air intercooler. So I just bend this back a little bit, and this is made of plastic. I want to figure out how to hold this in place, but right now, if I bend it and start the car, the vibration goes away. Alright, let's put everything back together and we'll go for a test drive. Alright, so I put it in drive. I'm just parked on the side of the road. Put the handbrake down. There is no noise. That is excellent. Okay. Well, the handbrake noise is gone. Now I can hear a lot of other vibration coming through the van. Mostly to do with the engines, but it's a diesel engine. They're noisy, they move around. That's just normal. Alright, so we have fixed everything that we set out for today. We fixed the vibration on the handbrake. We fixed this. It's glued in. I took it for a drive. It's not coming out. I have also glued back this piece. It's not coming off. And finally, this is plugged into the correct thing. And I guess that is it. I'm gonna go home, prep dinner, and then call it a day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.